Imagine a home where black is not just a color, but a statement. A space that is both luxurious and minimalist, where darkness is transformed into elegance. Welcome to the world of Black minimalist home design. In this video, we'll explore the allure of black in interior design, showcasing stunning examples of homes that redefine modern luxury. From bold accents to all-black interiors, we'll discover how this often overlooked color can elevate any space. Black is often associated with negativity or mystery, but in interior design, it can be a powerful tool for creating a sense of sophistication and luxury. When used correctly, black can add depth, drama, and a touch of elegance to any space. It can also make smaller rooms feel more intimate and cozy. Black accent walls. One of the easiest ways to incorporate black into your home is with an accent wall. A black wall can add a dramatic focal point to any room. Consider the overall style of your home when choosing a room for your black accent wall. A modern or contemporary space will benefit most from a black accent wall. Pair a black accent wall with neutral colors like white or gray for a classic and timeless look. Or, for a bolder statement, try pairing it with contrasting colors like yellow or teal. All black interiors. For the ultimate in luxury and sophistication, consider an all-black interior. This bold choice can create a dramatic and unforgettable space. When designing an all-black interior, it's important to pay attention to textures and materials. Different finishes can add depth and interest to the space. To prevent an all-black interior from feeling too dark or oppressive, be sure to incorporate plenty of natural light. Large windows or skylights can help brighten up the space. Black furniture and accessories. Black furniture can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any room. From sleek sofas to minimalist tables, there are countless options to choose from. Black accessories can also be a great way to incorporate the color into your home. Think black throw pillows, rugs, artwork, or even curtains. When using black furniture and accessories, be mindful of the overall balance of your space. Too much black can make a room feel overwhelming. Black is often associated with power, mystery, and sophistication. It can also create a sense of intimacy and privacy. Studies have shown that black can have a positive impact on mood and productivity, helping to create a calm and focused environment. However, it's important to use black in moderation. Too much black can make a space feel oppressive or gloomy. As you've seen, black can be a powerful and versatile color in interior design. By incorporating it into your home, you can create a space that is both luxurious and modern. Want to learn more about interior design trends and tips? Subscribe to our channel for more informative and inspiring content. Don't forget to like and share this video if you found it helpful.